Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, we're going to talk about Stripe and Shopify integration. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in Shopify, head on to your settings, and then from settings, just go to payments. From your payments here, you will have to locate add your payment. So here, add payment, it's pretty simple. Here you will have to search Stripe, but depends on your location where Stripe is available. So not all available locations have Stripe, but some do, some doesn't have. So here, as you can see, you can do credit card and other things, but it just does not apply to your Stripe. So sometimes it's right here, sometimes it's not. So I think it's still under Visa when it comes to Stripe. So you can still add that right here and check it out. So as you can see right here, there are a couple ones, so there's no Stripe in sight. So once Stripe is available, you can still add it right here and it will still be a flawless transaction. So there you go guys, that is Stripe and Shopify integration. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.